I think I just killed the battery. Okay, let's kill another one. Yay. If you are a little bit confused and not all caught up with the lore of my channel, last month I did a 7-inch long-range drone build. I know what UART is, which is crazy. Yeah, for sure, younger me, that's crazy. Well, long story short, this was my first proper drone build, and if you are interested, you can watch the whole video and it will become apparent pretty quickly. Don't do it! Anyways, this video isn't about me trying to build another drone, but me trying to fly it for the first time, test some settings and see if the drone likes me or not. Like always, it started with me taking off and feeling any vibrations. Once I deemed the drone safe, I landed and attached my GoPro on it for some crisp 4K video. Oh, sorry, wrong camera. Ah, okay, this is better. And I've gotta say, watching back all this unstabilized footage, the drone looks really stable and I didn't notice any vibrations, which really surprised me. I guess that the advertised anti-vibration thick arms really do help. Anyways, watch me fly to 1 kilometer with wrongly set up RSSI dBm reading. I didn't understand the Betaflight settings in the OSD tab, so I put in the wrong values, and that's the reason why is my RSSI flashing all the time. If you are interested, I'll leave the correct way how to set it up in the video description. I wanted to narrate this part as well and tell you what was going on in my head, but I think that I can let it play and you'll understand it by yourself. Just watch the battery percentage. Oops. Fuck. Yeah, that didn't end up like I planned it to be. I really miscalculated the battery voltage and it dropped super fast. And I had to land in the field, and fortunately, I'm a trained professional and I landed really close to a road and not on someone's roof. That would really suck. I mean, for both of us. Here in the OSD, you can see the drone sucking all the power from the battery and then the VTX and ESC just shut off. At least I got to test out my fancy Wi-Fi finder like I wanted to. Well, great news, I got it back, but I think I just killed the battery, so yeah. Did I kill it? Please don't tell me I killed the battery, it was expensive, really. It's hot, it's really hot, and 2.6, 2.7, 2.2, 2.6, 2.7, 2.4, 15.3, yeah, great, that's happy and healthy battery with 15.4, great, I'm gonna leave it somewhere for now. Fuck! Okay, let's kill another one. Okay, so as we saw, this was the moment I taught myself when to land and to keep an eye on the battery. After that disaster, I told myself, okay, let's test out the return to home function. The worst is behind me. And guess what? I got too comfortable and did something dumb again. Oh shit, Jesus man. I am not having fun. Look at me, trying to find fucking zone. Got him! Great. turns out that 1000 is too much. Yeah, I should probably watch Bardwell to learn something. And bam! Finally, something went well today. The drone went to the right altitude, the right coordinates, and started descending. It's still a really weird feeling seeing the drone move on its own when I'm not touching the sticks though. It survived! Yay! Okay, I'm gonna look at the better one. Okay. 2.9, it went up. Yay! I didn't break shit. Well, maybe I broke the battery. I don't know. We will see. Hopefully I didn't break the battery because yeah, that shit costs a lot of money. It's like 1,600 crowns, which is, I don't know, this many dollars and this many euros. So yeah, that's a lot. I can see one thing that I'm gonna fix, and that's this part. I don't know if you can see shit. If you can see it, this part. I don't like this antenna wiggling, so I'm gonna fix it somehow. I don't know, zip ties probably. That fixes everything, right? Zip ties or chewing gum, whatever. Yeah, I'm looking forward to flying this one in Ireland. I can see this one flying at least 5 kilometers. I can see this one flying 5 kilometers though. Okay, great. I'm gonna test some stuff on my freestyle and then I'm gonna go home. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. The drone flies. I'll probably release a video of me setting up the drone in Betaflight and also my first maiden flight, which totally didn't end up with the drone almost burning down and crashing in the field. Yeah, I'm a pro.